Hey guys! Alam nyo ba, hindi nyo kailangan magkaroon ng 10 doors, 15 doors, or 30 doors, or 1,000 doors para maging wealthy. Alam nyo ba, kailangan nyo lang talaga, I realize, kailangan nyo lang talaga magkaroon ng at least 5 properties na all paid off. Don't be listening to the social medias who are telling you out there to go on and own thousands of doors. You don't need all that shit. All you need is 5 good properties paid off na rental apartment, and you are set for life. You never know. Like in the Philippines, only 1% of people in the Philippines really own real estate. So you never know, you could be one of those who own 1% of real estate in the Philippines. So again, just try to work on owning. If you're a type of a person na ayaw ng utang, then or to leverage, then just all you have to do is work hard on buying rental properties, at least 5, and they'll be paid off, and then you're set for life. So that's what I think. So again, if you want to start your rental investment in the Philippines, if you're new to my channel and you haven't seen my other videos, my name is Claudine Gallagher. I am a property investor in the Philippines. Kahit nakatira pa ako abroad, because almost half of my life, and even when I started investing rental properties in the Philippines, I've been doing it kahit nakatira pa ako sa abroad. So if this is something that you want to do but hindi mo alam kung paano umpisahan, or paano yung like how to kind of like navigate yourself, kung paano ang pagbibili, pag-o-offer, ano ba yung process, ano bang type ng property ang bibilihin mo, saan ba yung magandang location na bibilihin mo para maging good rental investment yan, and siguradong yung hard-earned money mo is mag-work for you. Well, this is what I do. Send me an email. I offer 45 to 1 hour consultation call. I charge minimal amount of money, and I can guarantee you you will have a clarity about how to start your rental investment in the Philippines. And in all fairness, I'll give you a recent a feedback from my client who just been very happy. So basically, I've been accepting consultation calls since 2023, but I'll show you the recent feedback from my client just recently, and it shows you how happy she is that she got the clarity, and I saved her from something that she could almost fall into, something na instead na nakabili siya ng property na good investment, but she parang hindi niya tinuloy because of the clarification, at natulungan ko siya. So again, this is the feedback. You can read that. That's just very recent. I can show you more if you want. I will show you all the feedback of my my client who just had their consultation and recently. And also again, I've accepted mentees. I'm only limiting my mentees in the meantime, but hopefully in the future I will accept for more. So I'm currently teaching some students. At the same time, I also source some, because there are a lot of properties now that being sold and offered to me that sometimes hindi na rin namin kayang bilhin kasi sa sobra na. So I can source as well. So yeah, it'll be good if you could book your consultation, because you know it's really important to get to know the basic first bago kayo mag-start ng rental investment, kasi you don't want to make a mistake. Kung kaya nyong i-mitigate yung mistake by just paying a minimal amount of money and learn from the people who are expert, it doesn't have to be me. You can find somebody else, but like I'm just saying that if you are interested, I'm offering this kind of service. I offer consultation at the same time one-on-one mentorship. So mentorship, I can discuss it after the consultation call, so you will have an idea what would be the package. I can give you some feedback as well with my mentees from previous that they've been very successful, and yeah, I've been very happy. Napakasaya din sa akin kasi nai-share ko na yung aking experience and knowledge, and hindi lang po ako nagbe-base din sa experience ko. Bago po ako nag-start maging rental investor, I spent a lot of money, and I'm very sure for the amount of money na china-charge ko for consultation is walang-wala pa yan sa ini-spend ko nung araw para lang matuto kung paano mag-invest ng rental in a proper way. So I have educated myself bago pa ako talaga nag-start. So I am very proud of, because hindi rin biro kung magkano yung na-spend kong money. But for the amount that you're going to pay for me, and I don't charge so much because ako gusto ko maging successful din yung other Filipino. And I'd like to encourage a lot of Filipino, especially sa mga OFWs, no matter kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, anong sitwasyon yung financial mo ngayon, you just need to be financially educated and start properly, and then of course your rental investment will work out well. So that's I can guarantee on my mentorship, and also in my consultation pa lang magkakaroon na kayo ng clarity na ganun pala ang pag-i-invest. So hindi talaga basta-basta yung pagbili pa lang, big decision na yan. So it's important that you got to know what you are buying and where you're buying, if this is really what you want and you want to be financially independent in the future, then definitely real estate is something I highly recommend. Again, real estate is not a rich quick game, but kapag inumpisahan mo sa tama and you started to educate first yourself, I can guarantee you'll be very, very successful as well, just like me, because it's proven to me and to other people as well. So I hope to hear from you. Check out my other videos as well. If you haven't subscribed, consider to subscribe, because I'll be starting to upload more information. But I know with videos I'm sharing, it's never gonna be enough, especially kung yung may mga specific question kayo na gustong tanungin. It'll be better off you book your consultation, and I'll be very happy to help you. So I hope to see you soon. See you on my next video. Bye bye.